And here, welcome to the reception of Saifuddin and Muskan. What an entry! And here we've got some dahi balla and chaat papdi. And there's brother Adil. Walaikum salam. How are you, akhi? Always. So now we will have some delicious ram laddu.
So tasty. So अभी जगह तो बची है ना अपना कोरमा बिरयानी के लिए.
Yeah. So Mr. Sheikh Moinuddin, sir, मुझे ये बताना था कि माशाल्लाह today जो wedding reception है आपका दावत वलीमा,
Yes.
वो बहुत ही amazing है.
Very
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Yalla, let's go. So today we have to go for Dawat Walima, which is wedding reception of Saifuddin and Muskan. So I am running a little late. 7 baje ka tha dinner. Abhi baj rahe hain पौने 8 and so I thought I will leave after Isha ki namaz पढ़ के निकलेंगे. So I have to go. We have to go to MCD Barat Ghar. It is not too far. इतना दूर नहीं है यहाँ से. So we will get going. Yalla. And we have arrived. It took me about half an hour to drive 1 kilometer. Get your name last time. Umar. So
Yeah.
I left home half an hour ago. There's so much of traffic. Mata Ka Mandir Road. Yeah. Okay, Umar. I'll see you inside. Chalo, we will go inside and we will see what's happening. So this is the MCD Barat Ghar, and they've got a beautiful entrance here. You're entering. Lovely. And here, welcome to the reception of Saifuddin and Muskan. Barakallahu feekum. So here we are inside the venue. Beautiful. And that's Safi's dad. So we will go say salam to him. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, sir? Good? And there's brother Adil. Walaikum salam. How are you, akhi? Always in charge of the food section, eh? Food is always safe when you are around. Barakallahu feek. So we will see Safi की reception में क्या क्या है. भैया क्या है ये इधर? Chila, eh? Very nice. And here it looks like some aloo tikki. And here we've got some dahi balla and chaat papdi. And here we've got the golgappas. And I noticed they're colorful golgappas. And here we've got some kadai wala doodh. Here I see some khajur. ये कौन सा हलवा है ये? मूंग की दाल का हलवा. Look at that. Delicious. And here it looks like we've got some kulfi. How you doing, buddy? And we'll check out what's there for food. We've got some mixed veg. Here I see some delicious shahi paneer. Idhar dekho. Amazing. This looks like really tasty chole. And we've got some mixed veg. Here we've got some palak pakora with gravy. There's some tandoori roti. And we've got some papad. Here it looks like there's the non-veg section. देखते हैं non-veg में क्या क्या है. So here it looks like they've got some delicious biryani. Achari biryani. I can see the achar here. And here it looks like some korma. Brother, this is korma?
Yeah, this is chicken korma.
Chicken korma, eh? Looks delicious. MashaAllah, very nice.
Khamiri roti.
Khamiri roti, barakallahu fi. Here's some doodh wali roti, eh? This looks like some delicious stew. Maafi mushkil. Hey, Ayuba. So these are all the guests enjoying the meal. Here they can, Ahmad bhai. So pura menu dekh liya, mashallah. There are so many things to eat and enjoy. So what I will do now is, we will start tasting. Ab hum thoda taste karenge, and then we will talk a little bit, socialize, and then we will enjoy the dinner. Yalla. Here, so we will try with some moong dal chilla. So I'm having some chilla and it is really tasty. बहुत ही मज़े का है. There's like paneer filling and it's delicious. So now we will take some aloo tikki. Bhaiya ek aloo tikki dijiyega please. So now we will have some delicious aloo ki tikki. So now we will taste some golgappa. And here it looks like they're making some ram laddu. So now we will have some delicious ram laddu. So we are done with the snacks and the snacks were delicious. एक चीज़ बहुत ही मज़े की थी. Like I loved every snack. Now we will try some veg food. So Umar has stopped me. उन्होंने कहा फरा. Nice. Thank you so much Umar. Appreciate it brother. Okay, come. So here we are chit-chatting with Umar and his cousin Rafi Ahmed. MashaAllah, both very smart brothers. So Safi and Muskan have arrived.
भाई सीधा रखो उसे साइड में.
What an entry. Congratulations.
अरे ला एक लाइट दे. अपने भाई साइड में.
अच्छा
यहाँ देखो तो यहाँ देखो यहाँ देखो सब सामने. यहाँ देखो इधर.
Assalamu alaikum auntie. कैसी हैं आप? माशाल्लाह, very nice. Barakallahu feekum. So we are chit-chatting with Ayan. Ayan, did you have food, khana? Yeah? You will have with me? We will have khana. We will have non-veg food, okay? Korma and stew and biryani. Good. So Safi is busy with his friends, but अब time है उनको stage पे जाने का. So here with brother Saad, you'll say salam to him. Brother Saad, salam alaikum. How are you? Alhamdulillah. Akhi. Yeah, I will eat. Once he sits, I will eat. So now they'll be going on stage. The stage has been set up. And then we will go. Brother Adil, ऊपर कब चलेंगे stage पे?
बस ये जा रहे हैं, देखो स्टेज पे जा रहे हैं.
तो फिर अभी हम चल इनको फिर विश कर देंगे इंशाल्लाह. Okay, barakallahu feek. So we've reached the first floor. And here they've set up a beautiful stage. And Safi and Muskan, they're just on their way to the stage. Oh. So they're making some videos for their wedding. And mashallah, they both are looking lovely together. Barakallahu feekum. May Allah bless their marriage. Just another kid. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you. So this is the aerial view of the reception. माशाल्लाह, ये जो है राइट साइड में, यहाँ पे है सब नॉन वेज सेक्शन, बिरयानी, कोरमा, स्टू. एंड देयर ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इट्स अमेजिंग, वेजिटेरियन सेक्शन में भीड़ देखिए. एक्चुअली वहाँ पे चाट है, आलू टिक्की, मूंग दाल हलवा एंड कुल्फ़ी एंड एवरीथिंग. सो देयर आर मोर पीपल देयर. एंड यहाँ पहुँचेंगे नॉन वेजिटेरियन सेक्शन में भी जल्दी पहुँचेंगे.
माशाल्लाह I'm noticing Safi भाई अपनी तस्वीरें खींच रहे हैं for his bed. So what I can sense is that Safi is a romantic guy. काफ़ी romantic लगता है the way माशाल्लाह he is looking at his wife Muskan. So I can tell that he is a romantic guy. Barakallahu feekum. So we will chit chat with Ayan. So here we are with Ayan. Ayan से पूछेंगे इन्होंने कुछ खाया. Ayan कुछ खाया आज?
Yes.
What did you eat today?
Shahi paneer,
Shahi paneer,
golgappe,
golgappe,
and doodh jalebi.
doodh jalebi. That's very good choice. You know something, bro? Like, so the vegetarian food today is incredible. Like, be it the snacks or even the main course, chole, shahi paneer, mixed veg sabzi. और एक था पालक का, you know, there was something with पालक and it was so tasty. So अभी जगह तो बची है ना अपना कोरमा बिरयानी के लिए. Yeah. So we will wait. अभी देखिए अभी photographers are still taking some pictures. I'll show you. So ये अभी भी इनका एल्बम के लिए photographs चल रही हैं. So what we will do is. So we will wait for another 10-15 minutes. We will let the couple बैठ जाएं, you know, stage पे, you know, Muskan and Safi बैठ जाएं. And जब ये बैठ जाएंगे, then we can go down and have biryani and korma stew. ठीक है? So देखिए एक second. उस देखो माशाल्लाह कितना प्यारा बन रहा है. 1 second. And here is this one. Yo, how you doing? Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you, brother? I like your jacket. Yo, very nice color. Gray and black, very smart. Classic. Yeah? Thank you so much. So he's got. What is it, buddy? The aloo tikki? No, bro, मैंने खा ली. You want aloo tikki? No, no, thank you. What is it? Bhalla papri, bro. You want bhalla papri? No, buddy. Thank you so much. So we are chatting with another nephew of Safi. Brother, what's your name again? Subhan. So we are chatting with Subhan. Mashallah, he came. मुझे आके सलाम किया, मुस्कुराए. तो I just wanted to make a video with him. May Allah reward you. I don't know.
I know now.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Thank you so much. So now they are. Bismillah. And they're on the stage. Barakallahu feekum. So we will now go on stage and congratulate the lovely couple on their marriage, and mashallah, such a lovely walima. So sweet, mashallah. So here we have Nani. Nani is in charge of all the envelopes. So abhi hum Safi ko jo envelope denge, Nani will be taking care of it.
सामने देखो, सामने कैमरे पे, यहाँ देखो.
So we wished the couple, we went on stage. Now it is time for me and Ayan. Ayan, bhook lagi hai?
Yes.
Yes, bhook lagi hai, and now we will have some. क्या लेंगे आप सबसे पहले? Korma stew biryani. Chalo. Yalla, let's go. Korma stew and biryani. So mashallah, all the guests have arrived and they're all enjoying the meal, the gathering, social life. And here is that brother Adil. Assalamu alaikum. So here it is. And here there are people enjoying some snacks. So we will have dinner now. Ayan, अपने लिए plate लीजिए and खाना निकालिए. Good boy. Is that one for me? Oh, thank you so much. Come, let's go. What do you want first? You want some biryani? Yeah, take some biryani. So we are just done having dinner, and I have to say that the food is incredible. No matter what I've tasted, it is all delicious, and everything is really flavorful. So here, how you doing, buddy? What's your name again?
Rehan.
Rehan, nice to meet you. Did you eat anything? No? Bro, everything is so tasty. Go try the snack section. Sab kuch A1. Everything is delicious. Try kiya?
Yeah.
Kya khaya?
मैंने टिक्की
Aloo tikki, golgappe,
और वाटर भी पी लिया था और कॉफी
and what about non-veg?
नॉन वेज या चिकन
Korma?
Yeah.
Korma biryani?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So now it is time to have some meetha. Rehan and Ayan will help me get some meetha. Come, let's go. Ye rahi meetha. Bro, I would like some halwa. Halwa dila do. Thoda sa halwa, wow. Bro, a little bit please. Jazakallah khair. Yeah. Thank you so much. These are all my connections. Bus. Thank you so much. Spoon, bro. Here. Thank you so much. So we are having some moong dal halwa, and I'm telling you, it is mind blowing. Itna maze ka hai na. It's so good. It is really tasty. So here we have a very valuable guest, a member of politics. We have Afzal Siddiqui. He's come all the way from Uttar Pradesh to attend the reception. So we are just setting up this VIP table. Make sure कि अफजाल सर को सारी बढ़िया चीज़ें खाने को मिलें. So ये सब अफजाल सर के लिए. We are setting up the table. So now we will talk to the groom's father, Mr. Sheikh Moinuddin. Sir, मुझे ये बताना था कि माशाल्लाह today जो wedding reception है आपका दावत वलीमा,
Yes,
वो बहुत ही amazing है.
very good. Thanks, sir.
जो खाना, the food that they have arranged, organized किया है ना खाना, माशाल्लाह, it is one of the best that I've had.
Thanks, sir.
एक चीज has a lot of taste, and जो मजा है वो अल्लाह की तरफ से है.
अल्लाह की तरफ से.
अल्लाह ने आज खाने में माशाल्लाह बहुत मजा दिया है, and congratulations
Thanks, sir.
on such a successful दावत वलीमा.
Thanks, sir. Thanks.
So Netaji is enjoying his food. You want to go up? Yalla, we'll go up. I'll go say salam to everyone and then I will leave, okay? Come. So this is Fardeen brother. Fardeen brother, I really like your outfit today, bro. Your tuxedo is shining. Your which outfit? Reception outfit, bro. It looks dazzling, sparkling. Love it. MashaAllah. So here's brother Fardeen with his lovely wife. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Okay. So I'll just take a video of yeah, मुझे जानती हैं, of course, इन्होंने. So we are going up with the Fardeen brother. So all the relatives and friends and all the loved ones अब gather हुए हैं, and the family and friends and relatives, they're now gathering. सब अब stage पे जाएंगे. You know, they will congratulate the couple, give envelopes, and take some pictures. We will thank Brother Adil, thank you so much for everything you've done for this reception. You have made a big difference. Everything is really organized. The food is delicious, and I love being a part of this. Barakallahu feekum. So it's time to have some thumbs up. And we will now take some doodh. Bhaiya, ek doodh. Yo! Bro, this halwa is incredible. Incredible. Loved it. Thank you so much, sir. Buddy, you have any? Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. May Allah reward you. I'll see you soon, okay? Take it easy. Alright, so it is time to leave the reception, but the party is still going on. Piche chal rahi hai, but it is time that I have to go back home. and I'm taking some hot milk along with me. And I wanted to say to Safi and Muskan and all their family that today's reception was mind-blowing. Like, mashallah, it was so good, beautifully organized, and the food was so tasty. Khana, snacks, appetizers, they were all delicious. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless your marriage and bless both your family. And thank you so very much for inviting me. And I pray that both your families are always united. Inshallah, I will see you guys next time. Until then,